How to build an AI data layer using ZooData. First, open your browser and go to the ZooData website. Create a free account and open the API keys. Then create key and give production name to get your API key. Click Copy Key. New accounts currently receive free API credits to get started. Once you have your API key, open the API documentation. ZooData provides structured e-commerce data through APIs, including Amazon product information, competitor data, market data, pricing, and reviews. Let's start with a product search. Use the product search endpoint and enter a keyword, such as wireless earbuds. ZooData will return structured product information, including details such as the product title, price, rating, review count, and sales information. This structured data can now act as a data layer for an AI application or AI agent. Instead of making your AI system scrape websites directly, you can provide it with clean, structured data from the API. You can also use other endpoints to retrieve product details, competitors, market information, and AI-powered review analysis. That's it. You've successfully created an AI data layer using ZooData. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials, automation guides, and developer tools.